Hello and welcome. Welcome if you are new here, and welcome back if you've been with me for a while. I really do appreciate you all. Today we are going to get into Tribe Beauty and Boxy Premium. Now, I know that Boxy Premium is super late, which is why I'm combining it with Tribe. I know that Tribe is a little bit late too, but that's because we went away for the weekend. So I'm just gonna put them in a video together and hopefully you guys enjoy it. Let's see, there is a giveaway going on right now. Help me get to 3K. Right now there are 3 winners for that. Big boxes of makeup and skincare, and if you guys can get me there by the end of this month, which I really don't see happening right now, but if you guys get me there, I will add a 4th winner of big boxes, like 1 big box. So that's where we stand right now. That is linked down below if you have not seen it. There's other information down there if you are interested. Also, my vlogging videos, with fingers crossed, I'm hoping to get those videos up on Friday and Saturday. There are 2, since it was basically just a 2-day weekend. But if things go a little awry, then it might be Saturday and Monday that those go up. We will see. I actually had a stitch fix that I was planning to record while I was out there, and I ended up being just so ridiculously tired, and it had to go back in the mail today. I did not record it. But just a real quick summary. The leather dress that I got a couple of fixes ago, either 1 or 2 fixes ago, they did size me up on that. She found it, unfortunately, a problem that I run into with most things like this. If I have to size up, if it's more of like a fitted body form type of a dress and I need to size up, generally I just need to size up because of how wide my shoulders are and my bust. So generally, if it's a form-fitting dress and I size up, it fits really nice up here, but then it's super baggy, like on my lower half. And I mean, I prefer form-fitting. I just don't want things so tight to where I'm smashed. And that's the way it was with the size 4, was that it was just, it looked really good from like the breast down, but from the breast up, it was just too tight. And so sizing up didn't do me any good. That was a little disappointing because I really did like that faux leather dress. But let's, I've been rambling too long. Let's get into these boxes. So first we're going to dig into Tribe. I don't remember how much this cost. It will be on the screen. And it does just, I thought usually these were like super wrapped up, but maybe that's just a different box I'm thinking of. Anyway, we're just going to pull, let me see. Oh, there is a piece of paper in here. Let me see if that has my prices on it, if I can pull it out. Oh, that's a face mask. Okay, wait. Oh, wait, I do. I have a piece of paper, and this is June's box, Tribe Treats, and they do have the prices. But then I also pulled out a Masquerade sheet mask, which I'm always down for. What is this? Smooth and Moisture. Sweet Treats. I wonder if it's just like a bunch of designs that you stick on your face. So if these are like individual, I really don't care for those type of sheet masks, but I will use it just because it doesn't cover the entire surface area of the face. At least not with me. Like the last one I did, I think, like it had those like, what are those called? Like they look like comic book strips, you know what I mean? And they were just like pieces that you stuck to your face, and for me, it didn't cover my whole face. So if that's the way that is, but if it just smells like one of these things, no, they are, I read, look, I can read. It says apply individual mini masks. So it will get used. It's just not my favorite kind because it doesn't cover the entire surface area of the face. This retails for $5. The next thing I am pulling out is a little messed up, but not anything major, and it's by the the Skin Chemists in London, and it's Rose Illuminating Glow Peel Off Mask. Okay, so since it is in rose, I will just pass that along. I'll just toss it in one of the giveaways. But this retails for $43. Okay, I would never pay that much for a skin mask. A skin mask. A face mask. But it is what it is. Somebody else will get that lovely product and be able to use it. The next thing I am pulling out is Mascara Xxl by Rodeo. And that's what it looks like. I'm not going to open it. I have too many mascaras currently open. But it is Glamour Lash Mascara in black, and it retails for $29. Again, I will just pass this along. I'll toss it in a giveaway. One of you guys can get use out of it. Right now, I think I have like 5 mascaras that are open, and I don't use them enough to warrant adding another one at this time, because I actually still have others that are unopened. So, oh, the problems of having too much makeup. Let's see, the next thing I'm pulling out is Chrome Glaze by Pure. So it's Chrome Glaze in Rebel or Velvet Matte in Innocence. And I have the Chrome Glaze, so I'm assuming that it is in Rebel. That is correct. Let's take a peek at it. It retails for $18. So that is the color. It is a dark berry. I don't know if that's translating well on the screen or not, but I will just pass this along. I have so many berries. I'm just gonna pass it on. I just feel like it's better if I know right away that I want to pass something along, just so it's not sitting around in my stuff, you know, and somebody else can get use out of it. And ooh, what's this? What is this? Take the wine quiz. Okay. So this is Bright Cellars, Discover Wine You Love, and you get a $50 credit. I will show you guys, if anyone is interested, you can have it. I'm not going to use it. There's the other side with the instructions, if you can see that. It's a little blurry. I don't know if you can see that or not, but there it is. Just pause the screen. And if you guys are interested, you are more than welcome to use it. We don't drink that much. I don't drink that much anymore, so I don't. We did try a wine subscription a while ago. I keep leaning forward. I don't know why I keep doing that. We did try a wine subscription a while ago, and by a while I mean like a couple of years ago. I don't remember the name of it, but I am very, very particular about my wines. So I can't drink red wine because of migraines, and I only like sweet wine. So I would get a box of 6 wines monthly, and I would find that I would only like 2 of the 6. So to us, it wasn't worth it. Okay, and the last thing I am pulling out, which it looks like I will probably pass this along. This is interesting packaging. So this is what it looks like. It's in this outer plastic packaging, which is, I don't think I've seen anything like that. That's strange to me. But as you can see, there are a bunch of neutral colors in there. I will take it out of the package, but this is Lorac Pro, the chocolate box. And I have never seen packaging like this for Lorac products. That's interesting. I guess that's what took me aback a little bit with the packaging, and you can see how like together those letters are. So I was just, anyway, this retails for $43.74, and I don't know. Let's open it up and look. You know what? I'm gonna go ahead and open this. I'm gonna go ahead and keep this, just because I was sitting here thinking, and while I have a lot of palettes like this, I actually need to go through my palettes and see how old they are to see if they're usable. So I may actually have to throw away a lot of my neutral palettes. So I think maybe I will keep this. It's got some pretty colors in here. Okay, so this is what it looks like. And these are two big highlights in the center. I think those are pretty. I think some of these pressed glitters in here are really pretty. It doesn't smell. But yeah, you know what? A lot of these colors I own like 100 times over, and a lot of these colors, but a lot of these colors I love too. Like a lot of these maroon colors, pink colors, I will definitely use those. So I'll get a good use out of at least half of this palette. So there is that. Tribe, not bad. I've been talking way too long though, but not bad. I'm happy. So I'm keeping, what, like half of the palette or half of the bag? Half of the, I said, you guys can always tell when I don't sit down forever to record because I can't talk. Okay, you guys, next we have Boxy Premium, and I got prices, yay! But they do have the foam packaging in here, like, you know, the foam packaging that I always gripe about. But let's get into, but it seems like they've done it a little differently, so that's different. Okay, interesting, but not mad at it. Okay, let's see. So this box is $35 a month. If I'm wrong, I'll put it on the screen. But yeah, I'm pretty sure that both of these, Tribe and Boxy Premium, are like super, super close in price or in, yeah, like in cost. So I think that Tribe is like 34 something and some change, and then this is 35. So let's see what we've got. The first thing I'm pulling out is Glow Recipe Avocado Melt Retinol Sleeping Mask. Ooh, I'm gonna keep that. I don't have many sleeping masks because a lot of them are super heavy, and I don't like that feeling on my face, not to mention the fact that I sleep with a mask on. So I do need something that is going to sink into my skin and not sit on top of it. So I am going to enjoy trying this. Let's see what it looks like. Oh, that packaging is gorgeous. So this is what the packaging looks like. That is, oh my goodness, that is excellent. And either my nose isn't working or it has zero smell. Oh, there's plastic over it. Okay. I can smell it now. So let's see, there's that. Let's see, what does it feel like? Yeah, okay, so it feels really nice. I'm actually definitely going to keep that. I'm super excited about it. That retails for $49. The next thing I am pulling out is by Skin & Co. And it is Sardinian Spirit. What is it? Oh, it's shower gel. Totally keeping that. Can never have enough shower gel. I wonder what it smells like. Oh, that smells pretty good. It smells like, I can't place it. It smells like essential oils, but I can't place it. Let's see, what is it? With notes of the lemongrass and the orange is what I smell. Cool. Oh, and that retails for $22. The next thing I am pulling out is by Baddington, and if these are the, okay, so the Baddington brush set, I just got these. I'm pretty sure I just got these in Boxy Luxe. Oh, but this is not the same. Okay, so these are just two face brushes. I'm not going to take them out. Well, okay. I will take them out and show them and then put them back in. Okay, so that's what these look like. There's that brush, and then there's this brush. And I will actually just toss these in the giveaway. I've talked to you guys about my brushes before, how I don't use a lot of face brushes, but I do use a lot of eye brushes. So that's cool. I can shove that in a giveaway. Those retail for $90 for 2 brushes. The last set I got was a set of 5, and I don't remember them being that much. Oh wait, I didn't have a card in that box, so I don't know how much they cost. But geez, $90 for, I would never pay that. I'm glad to give them away to somebody else though. I wonder how much the other ones cost, because I didn't get, okay, anyway, the next thing I am pulling out is by Lascia Holics. And this retails for $14.99. That's cute packaging. That is really cute packaging. And this is what they look like. So I will keep those. You know, I really wish that all lashes came with a little glue sample to help get you through. I only have the ones that I've been meaning to try for like ever now. It comes with glue, and I haven't gotten around to it. Anyway, the next thing I am pulling out is Too Faced Cocoa Contour. I'm not gonna even open this. I don't use contour palettes. Those are the shades. I will just throw this in a giveaway and pass it right along. I'm sure it smells delightful, but I'm just gonna leave it in its packaging, and one of you wonderful people will get that. But that retails for $44. And then the last thing I am pulling out is by Stella and Grace and Stella, sorry. And it's like an energy drink for your face. That's huge. That is, like, that covers up my whole face. Well, I mean, face masks are supposed to cover up your whole face, but like, this is huge. I'm not gonna open this. I'm gonna leave it sealed, and I will open it later. Maybe it's like a whole pack. Well, I mean, it definitely has to be a pack, but I mean, because it's pretty heavy. Let's see, this retails for $25. And it's a 6-pack energizing face mask. This box is just so huge. That's huge. All right, so that's it. I'm actually decently surprised and pleased with this box. Not mad at it at all. I'm going to keep this, and the lashes, and I am going to pass on the brushes and the Too Faced palette. So, I mean, in my opinion, not a bad box. I hope you guys enjoyed these 2 unboxings. I will try to cut this down to be under 20 minutes long, which is roughly 10 minutes per box, which is what I like to do. I'll try to get it cut down below 20 minutes. So thank you so much for joining me today. I hope this took you out of your space for a little while, and enjoy the rest of your week. Bye.